Chapter 5 Land of Arts Onam Onam is our national festival. Malayalis all over the world celebrates Onam. It is believed that Mahabali, the just king who ruled Kerala, visits Kerala once in every year to see his subjects. Onam is also a harvest festival. After the Onasadhya, there will be Onakaligal. Why is it that Onam is a celebration of togetherness? Boat race. Onam is a period of boat races. It is beautiful to see people sitting in different boats, singing the Vanchipattu and rowing along. The excitements and togetherness of a group can be seen in the boat race. Folk games. Folk games are the games played in a locality for a long time. These are some pictures of folk games prevailed in Kerala. Lahori. Lahori is played between two teams. This is how it is played. Take 7 pieces of tiles or similar flat objects. This is called a chiller. Arrange the slabs one above the other with the smaller pieces on top of the bigger ones. Draw a circle around this. Mark another line a few feet away from it. Standing on this line, throw a ball onto the slabs. If the slab scatters, the team which makes it falls tries to rearrange it. While arranging, the other team tries to hit the players with the ball. If they arrange the slabs without being hit, they win a lahori. Each player has 3 chances to throw the ball. If the other team catches the ball, the players who throw the ball will out of the game. Festival scenes. Thrissur Puram. Art forms. Kathakali. Kathakali is an art form of Kerala. In Kathakali, dance, acting, music, and mudras are equally important. Kathakali can be learned only through continuous practice. Kathakali is also known as the king of arts. Thiruvathirakali. Women perform dance around a lighted lamp on the day of Thiruvathira in the month of Thanu. During Thiruvathirakali, women wear traditional Kerala costumes, decorate their hair with Dashapushpam and clap their hands in tunes with specially tuned songs. Kolkali. Kolkali is an art form where the performers dance in a circle. They sing together and dance to the rhythm of the song, beating the sticks in tunes with the songs. These were the glimpses of art forms in Kerala. Painting and sculptures. Painting and sculptures are also different types of art forms. Our state has a rich tradition of painting and sculpture. The world famous painter and artist Raja Ravivarma belongs to Kerala. Songs. Omana Tingal Kidavo Nalla Komala Tamara Puvo. Haven't you heard this famous song often? This song was written by Iriyaman Tambi. He made valuable Swadi Tirunal. Swadi Tirunal was a king well versed in music. He has written more than 500 works in Malayalam, Sanskrit, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada. Folk songs. Folk songs are the songs of a locality that are passed from one generation to another. Folk songs are of different types. Those related to farming, handicrafts, entertainments, customs, lifestyles, etc. The knowledge and the experience gathered through generations are seen in folk songs. Nyattupaattu. Punjapadate Punkuile is an important Nattupaattu that sung during farming activities. Vadakkan Paattu. Vadakkan Paattu are songs that are great contribution to the Malayalam language. They were colleries, to offer military training when the country was ruled by the Nadwaris. When there were conflicts or problems that could not be solved, people challenged each other to Angams. Skilled Angachekavas were appointed on both sides. Vatakan Patu are the songs describing the valor and the greatness of famous warriors like Tacholi Odenan, Unniyacha, etc. Mapila Patu. Mapila Patu are poetic forms with unique features. It was Moin Kutivaidya who popularized the Mapila Patu in Kerala.